Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find the best coins for future trading on BingX and how to decide which ones are worth trading. First, go to the market section on BingX and open futures. You will find different categories like AI coins, meme coins, layer 1, layer 2, and ecosystem tokens such as Bitcoin or Solana based coins. When selecting a coin, look for strong volume, good volatility, and a strong connection with Bitcoin's movement. Coins like Dogecoin often move with Bitcoins, making them more predictable. Another smart strategy is to check ecosystems. Is Solana is strong, other Solana based coins like Jupiter may also pump. This helps you catch multiple opportunities. Always analyze higher time frames like the daily chart to find support and resistance zones. Wait for a breakout and reset before entering a trade. For future trading, beginners should use low leverage and prefer gross margin for better risk control. Once your setup is confirmed, you can take a long short position depending on market direction. That's how you find and trade the best coins on BingX futures. Thanks for watching.